If you have ASUS laptop and then your touchpad or mousepad not working, right click or left click also not working, you can see there is a mouse cursor, but you move here, but it's totally not working. So what is the actual problem? That is not the hardware problem. This one, sometimes you use the keyboard or using the things that wrongly you press something, that happens, your touchpad is not working. It's a simple, in every ASUS model you can see here the all hotkeys, F1, F2, F3, there is a icons. You see F1 is mute, F2 is for the unmute, and then this one F3 is for the volume high, F4 for the brightness, F5 for the brightness higher, and then F6 is for the touchpad. You can see the icon here, touchpad, and then F7, F8, there is a all keys on the F buttons. So if you find that your touchpad is not working, you just find this kind of icon in your laptop. For example, maybe in your laptop F10 or F11 or F different model, different keys. So for example, if I just press the F6, you can see here the touchpad enabled. If I press again, you can see touchpad disabled. So that is the actual problem. Your touchpad not working. Now it's working perfectly. Find this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new update. So let's see you in the next video with the new tips, new tricks. Thank you.